Bo yo. Bo yo. Na me see. Moso. Go yo. Go yo, come see moso. People can do it. Oh, what do you mean? Oh, do you crack one some crunchy in
ma minchia ASP Edmond oh yeah, MTTD commander.
Nipa higher chair also just nipa. Basa, Kwabena no mate say. You dey mu twam. Na ehun ni mfaso. Na afi yentimi nwene abibire ma ye yentimi nwene ye ho na bibia nko kama mfa man. It is AUD no. On say ehun ni mfaso ntino ye nka ho asem. Ehun ni mfaso. You know, if we are Organization of African Unity and they do AU, na buza ho say even sika ba akokra si yedi ne kra buza asa. Akwara ketu na odware abonti na say ye yam ye di sika ba akwa ne ye ne.
Eko no.
Enu achi kura so no. Me ka chiro say oko DR Congo kura na DR Congo. Japadi omo in terms of natural resources. So ka France, Germany, Italy krabo mo ni biba we de omo ye. We are well in poverty because ya can di fo na nkasa na omo be di anim ko.
Omo moyen.
Omo moyen. Yes omo gusu omo mwa.
Omo moyen.
Yeah, na kan to kwesi am ye ku yi. E kro ni say Mali o say hefa na. Anye ho no ye ku na say so ye ni better. Yeah. Now obi atena wa sesa constitution. Ya e chire ha ya akro ya sesa constitution. Mo say African Day Union. Hey, mozo money mre. Yeah, where is the hope? Even Africa business require the intra. And what's them to say? Over William Shan Kwana say, "Oh Ghana, Ghana, Keveda." Over no wako. Ne bo odin chance o
the short-term plans and programs are the medium term and the long term.
There has never been and there will not be any short-term plan. Now there na EU nanga. What's the relevance? Any influence bia any influence bia. What's the influence of AU? Any influence bia grouping of heads of states just eat, drink, and just go at our expense.
No, Kwabena, okay, I say.
But apart from Buhari, I know
union.
Apart from Buhari, these schools, you know, or say Argentina, young call the root cause. Constitution is obey the way. We tell so cause Messiah state them term. Why the typical of Africa? Why the typical side? So what's the relevance? What is the relevance of the AUD? It's your big blame had here. You better show your comsi, because we are beneficiaries of the system now. And your papa na guno, gusu jiguno. That's how we want to live our life. And until on Yamia do my big blame hand a lot of natural resources in Sweden and one of that. They be near Sada and say near China, near Germany, near IMF, near World Bank, near America. They be
and to Kwabena so be ye.
In trouble. Because I tamana me could be dear so atunso ago. The first Susan so near Quatunso, a free baby be dear so no my uncle, and a Susan so crying saying so now we say defi and the practice no matter. Yakoto be dear. Be dear, okay, my uncle or I say Susan so. Okay. Your friend show me who was fair, me from my at the dame of Fususa. Then near G say, who was saying now, and the correct. In Wura Gusu Sans why inside. Then show the grabbing man Aquayura. Eti enye Nsem ne yebeti AU ne akoye AU. E woni mfaso. Nti ye calendar no kwa na si ye paper free so. Na ye did that.
Kwabena, you will agree with me, sir. They've also achieved some successes for the African continent.
Say, hey, you know, influence need way. What have they achieved? Just of Mabuna or Africano, ye hope on the mind. What have you achieved? And the Morocco crowd toy we are Emma Spain. What has it AUD? Master, my men come if you yourselves, I'm crying, me if you ask me, going to about this side. You show the 85 she, maybe we can AU for us. Akwaba, who
I feel now, Akwaba. Kwabena.
What's me there?
No, I feel now, Mumubama, Akwaba.
If you say, oh dear, and I mean, Akwaba,
that's all by one chairman, Mamma Akwaba.
So, if you know, Sakofa, Yenchi, Yemube, Cock. We see a chiba there, teacher, Coso, Tonton, Tianum Sani, no, Abagu saying, I bet. Funtu funafu denchen funafu omu nyina fu ya baako so omu didi ana omu pre.
Yes, one was a central pa enye wa fe.
Yenko jamina o same ho. Koso afi na ojene. Wa man from akwa faso. Chia kai. Wait. Wa man from akwa faso. Mami, wakem.
Kobra. No. Odabi una confused. You are intimidating.
I don't make can't say. Wakem. Oh, say amamre kra wakem. Ebebu okra no wakem you.
All right.
Ebebu. Okay, we. I know akofa asia dia.
No, enya se. Eben fo be na me.
Oh, chia kai. Ubu beti se be di afase am na famase. Za be ni bi na ubu no.
Sa.
Udi afase am na famase. Nti na msi yenko jabe na osa no. Futu funafu denche funafu mu nyina wo fie baako. Omu didi ana omu pre adentia. Hwe. Ani bre soja wo. Ani ebrea en soja.
There's a banana bubu no.
Medina konson me ntoa so kra ma wo. Agora mu ye yi afiri mu.
Was a come nyom baako.
Woni ebo.
Ah na etesi so.
E ma me fa won America.
Oh, Kwabena to bo ase.
Me na me nie.
Jim FM.
Me ni hweka. I see you for now. When the betimi bube.
I see you for no more but
when the betimi ni bube.
Nso yire yen.
Na me kan. Na de nso yire to ka be ka besu. Nso na yire ka besu ana. Ye nyina na ya contribute to baby e we bi ka kira senso boache say. Man in the said bobia about say nyame adema June July hodum no on be hwe di dress na asefo ni nyina nka hwe. Government is pretending to be solving the problems, and citizens are pretending to also collaborate with what government is saying. And obi ebre because yes, a fantasy yenye. Yes, so problems in this country. All we know, says John Asema be ready for the crazy. We don't solve problems in this country.
Kwabena.
So person who says solve problems in this country, I may say. Ekwaya ekuni papa wa Ghana ha Accra Kumasi Road. Ekwa ne tisay.
Besine.
Mibusaw. Ejuko fa 1960 graphic ba say 1960 na Accra flood no honum. Na na besine. Woni kura you should be ashamed. It's the same old story. Lamentations and talking. Partisanship in solving. Partisan approach to solving the problems of any country has never yielded any positive results. It is a man me anhwe na de bia da no. Ye be hye ntuma ama transport and road minister ne nadmofo akomia hodo afa wiem na interior minister skills for omone na wiem sa enhu hia me. De hia me say if you see something say
something. Yeah.
Who bibi akabibi na say so atwa ya de apart from nipa ohre nkwa. Ye nyina afa de ejana sisiyen
amam for japade asai
ejana asisiyen na o papa no fit to nchan kawe enyina ejana me say fa to nchan I'm saying that for to nchan because we have contributed to where we are
maybe certain places
I'm saying that forget about all this
like Arabraka
we have hold on opasi ekosa me pese be call so you have engineers, we have city planners, we have building inspectors, we have local assemblies, we have citizens refusing to be citizens, responsible citizens. We have government appointees also we have one of the in quote so-called finance minister best allocation of money to the Ministry of Works and Housing crap a problem. So what problem are we solving? And we get money to do it. The here no etutwe nase. Etibisro yanko de here. The here no say nay bambo ankrankra bambo ho abanfaso. Ho be here say wan kasa no ubo ho ban. Ho here say so ho bibia ensem fata utimika. Nenya yanu do ye ho ne ntimi ensusu yenchi.
Kwabena video ayo 05 dey to Facebook here. Awrewo.
Oka de maame na moto mo gene ne ma na se. Iso na. Iso wan se mana. O na iso wan se na bo. Me ni emetra me yet said that feeling we each. I'm saying that over time. Now the one nyame ase kra se iso no kra an electric yenuanom ne yeyerim ne me ne umienu nyina. Iso no to sa na emre ebire bi wa atwam iso to a enyinam nkane ahoma no kra sa titito iso no mu na ekunipa. We have not seen the magnitude of what this thing causes. And not this approach, man, no. We've not seen the magnitude. Who turn this into a political coloration? Who turn this into a certain group of people? So that is their responsibility. It is a collective responsibility. Me say no mama you what the Kaswa den come address Kaswa den when we know the problem with Kaswa den development dey cause one no and na sa esie na pem one no ejiri go from because they be ejiri we know who say we don't know our problems. Are you saying the engineers don't know the problem of at that wage on the Kaswa na we know me ma ko one last year in Suato mia no stores o kwa no nyana amem ne ma ya be earmark say ho nyina e water way but it's still there. And I gave an example yesterday. Say, Ufri Abokobi, Obesia Kwablaje, Edu Aboba, Edu Wisconsin, and Niom Ejajalai Lano. Don't exaggerate, my brother. Let's talk to the reality here. La Iland and carry a solution. See, I'm here, sao. Abbas and journalist, La Ila, ensure the Binsida, La Ila, oh my Ghana, baby, I can say, you have a responsibility. The people in government has a responsibility. Our technocrats have a responsibility. Without all of us accepting that we have a responsibility, even though you have categorized the percentages in terms of responsibility, no, you better say la, inshallah, wa lie, sa. Here's no problem. Next year, the same old team, I don't want to go through this again. We need to be action oriented and solve problems. As I'm saying, the giddy, you be dying, you be covered, you be say, oh, there 2 weeks time, I deal with you and one asako. You have forgotten that the Ghana Police Service, Buru is this regional, almost sorry 3 a.m. Ekofa brand TV friend Donko. 3:30 a.m. Donko rebeti sabrewin, yehu Donko. Ote wu Ghana kaka. Aswode no. Aswode it is a bayi. Ghana for antiasiase bra ye do nobody better solves that problem for us than our own self. This is it. This is it. It's me no Nsem bia kan no be try and lie isha our lie chala dey we party. Let's solve the problem. Let's stop talking. Let's stop the unneeded partisanship and solve the problem we have as a country because on my way can mind it to be we are here onyamia dom ye amana broso in terms of everything.
Now can say that one better na me kind see I mean the amount of funds are allocated to deal with this problem. Successive government. And I'm saying that Hambo Bebre. You 600 million.
In heaven, there's no beer. Fancy mamma with the Doka can make was. Yeah. In heaven, there's no beer. Fancy you. It will be a binuma. Oh, solution me for all my problem that it should be today. I'm person with literally now for in heaven, there's no beer. If you have any solution for Ghana, it should be now. It should not be tomorrow because call heaven now. Who could try beer anyway? In heaven, there is no beer. Chagum nienko me da say e belu to antuma fa hia me fa wenja o kaka. Oni panmu beko. Fa so on to abey so oni panmu beko.
Na so widie.
Eno kwa na onim. Unim jemele kutu. Unim jemele kutu.
Umani suba me.
Na atwimi we
atwimi nu nam. Kwabena tewe na na does CJ. Your proverbial ability finish like Ghana's economic development.